Myntri Rangbah kejelau konrat ke sangma menta ka sengiu lalai benbuk Mawnongrim bentai ka Organic Spices Industrial Unit Prime Hub jongka Eastern Ribhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Ltd Bhoirymbong balamang pisah kumbakan rikulor banyera bat kersyani kinongrap hakati ka sengil wan ru ban sakhi do ba daman bait lamre malek umroi wa abilash bharanwal Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi ujakpal singh dhanwa SP Karibhoi ki officer na katran karep karyang bat kiwi
fruit processing industries. And in all of these different industries, more than 10,000 farmers are being supported by all the different units that are there individually. As I said, example, the Rongara South Garo Hills unit supports close to about 10,000 farmers. The unit that is there in Tikrikila also supports about 10,000 farmers. And I'm expecting that this unit also will affect and impact and help thousands of farmers in this region. We are very happy that to put up this particular unit, we are mobilizing 15 crores of support, financial support from the government side. Out of that, about 12 crores will be in terms of the amount that the government is giving and the different incentives that we give. And about 2 to 3 crores will be through a loan component that will come from the bank. And therefore about 15 crores the state government will mobilize through different sources to fund this particular project. And as I said, it will be run by the organization. And we are happy that through this, multiple products, including ginger, turmeric, and different kind of products that are grown in this area, the farmers will find the market to sell here or to supply, and will be able to add value to this, and will be able to then further produce products that we can then market in the rest of the world. So we are really very, very happy about this project. I'm sure that the team that is behind it, who are going to be running this particular center, will run it very well. And I do urge all of you that we should always keep the farmer in front. And whatever challenges you face, we are there to support you. We must continue to improve on the products and improve on the machinery, improve the different facilities that we can provide. And as we move along, you will face challenges, but then there'll be difficulties. You may have issues with quality, you may have issue with working capital, you may have issue with storage. But when we start the process of moving ahead and improving those situations and overcoming those challenges, we will work together to ensure that it happens. But as I said, while we do all of this, my only request to the organization is that we should keep the interests of the farmers in front of us.